Hello, this is Mr. Bryson, and I'm going to teach you how to properly format an MLA file. Okay, now, when using Microsoft Office, the easiest way is to start off by just typing. Put in your first name, and put in your teacher's name, and put in the name of your class, and put in the date international style. International style means that you put the day, then the month, and then the year. No commas. Following me so far? All right, for the title, don't use the space bar like that, and don't use the tab button. The best way to center your title is go to the Home tab and find the paragraph menu and simply click on the center logo and put your title. I don't have a title yet, so I'm going to just call it title. When I hit enter, I notice that it's still centered. So if I want my text to be correctly justified to the left, I have to undo it by clicking on the button next to the center button, which is left alignment. Now, so far so good, except that everything is wrong. Right now, I am working with Calibri size 11, and proper MLA format is Times New Roman size 12. So if you just highlight everything and change it, then you're good to go. Another thing you need to do is everything needs to be double spaced. Now, we often like to use the shortcut, which is right here in the paragraph menu, and just click on the 2.0, which we think double spaces it. But that is incorrect, and here's why. Underneath those options are two more options. One says add space before paragraph, and one says remove space after paragraph. Before you get started typing your paper, you want to remove space after paragraph. Notice when I do that, the spaces between each line of the heading becomes smaller. This is the proper way to do it, and you waste less paper this way. Another way to do it would be to select everything and then click on this pull down menu. This pops up. You want to make sure that your before and after are always 0 and that your line spacing is double. And if you're working on your computer, you can click on default. That way, every time you open up a Word file, it'll be set up this way and you don't have to change it. All right. Another thing we need to do before we really get started typing our essay is we need a page number. Now, the page number goes over here in the top right corner. Now, if you double click, you get the dotted lines and you see the header, and you have options there. You might be tempted to just write justify and type your page number. Do not do that, because if you do that, as you write your paper, when you get to page 2, it's still going to say page 1 up here. And you don't want that. You need each page to be counted differently. And the best way to do that is to go to the Insert tab right here. Choose the page number option. You're always going to choose the top of page for MLA format and plain number 3. And voila, it's going to count your pages for you, so you don't have to do it. And you're going to type your last name. Excuse me. And you're still not done. To do it correctly, you have to have it, that's right, Times New Roman size 12. So you click. I right-clicked to change it to Times New Roman and size 12. And now everything is heterogeneous and correct. Now you can start typing. Simply press the tab button to start a new paragraph and start typing your essay, story, poem, whatever it is you were going to write. Good luck, and I know you can do it.